A security gate. Should I choose code or identification?
Intruder alert, intruder alert, intruder alert, intruder alert, intruder alert.
Mr. Security Gate, false alarm. False alarm.
Yeah, false alarm.
Excuse me, I gave you my identification, so it's a false alarm.
False alarm. False alarm.
False alarm. Turning off.
Phew.
For a minute there I thought your friend was an intruder.
I saw Elmo outside the plane when we got off.
So we can get to see Elmo.
Hi, can I help you?
Hey, got any grapes?
No, I'm sorry. No grapes up here. The airport supermarket's on the ground floor.
Airport supermarket.
You? The airport runner?
Oh, hi, my dear boy. It's me, Steve.
Steve? From Blue's Clues.
Yep, the supermarket is on the first floor.
Come on, Duck, let's walk to the store.
We'll buy you some grapes.
So the duck won't have to ask for grapes anymore. Then Kahoo, the duck, Steve, Fred, and I got ready to walk to the store on the ground floor.
We had an airport GPS to help us find the store on the ground floor.
We needed the elevator. Lucky, there was one on every floor.
Let's go, everyone.
I found the elevator.
Nice finding, Duck. Push the button, Steve.
I'm trying.
Wait for that elevator.
Here it is. Look. It's Elmo.
Hello, Elmo. No need to worry about me. I'm a visitor. And so are my friends from school.
Please don't tell Elmo that Duck was on your plane. Follow Elmo to the store.
I found grapes.
Steve then found grapes on the store shelves. Weirdly enough, the cashier turned out to be my pal the Yellow Wiggle, Greg Page.
How can I help you guys out? Hail him.
Hi, Greg. Have you ever had a wiggly good time on Sesame Street before?
That's the funniest thing Elmo's ever heard in his life. Ha 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 ha.
Wow. I see you're still wiggling. Besides, the Wiggles and I have never been to Sesame Street before.
Okay, so how is your health? Fully recovered?
Okay, well, the condition is there, but as I said, it's managed.
We had to buy some grapes.
That'll be $2, please.
No thanks. But you know what sounds good? It would make my day. Do you think this store? Do you think this store? Do you think this store has any lemonade?
In the bottled drinks aisle. Have a wiggly day, everybody.